welcome to Philippines.
Hey, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Zanzibar! First thing that you need to do when you arrive here in Tanzania is to present your Zanzibar insurance. After that, since we are Philippine passport holder, ordinary passport holder, you need to fill out the form for visa on arrival. After you fill out the form, you need to pay for $50 US. And I asked the cashier there, they said they can accept card, but now no, there's a problem. After visa payment, proceed to passport control and then done. Get your bags. Okay, so our pickup is already here.
To Paje, just 1 hour. Sometimes 1 hour and a half. Salam Kebu.
Yeah.
Salam Kebu. Salam Kebu. Not far from Jambiani, Salam Kebu.
Kaya ang bait ng driver natin, nilirubit tayo ng tubig tsaka pagkain. Kasi wala tayong cash.
Also call that samosa?
Chicken or
Mix.
veg?
Karibu sana Zanzibar.
How are you?
Yes, karibu.
So information regarding the apartment and some recommendation also what to do in Paje, Buju, Jambiani, in all the Southeast Coast. And if you need a recommendation on nice restaurant, nice party, just WhatsApp to me. I'm happy to give you all the advice. Here the price for trips and activity and some Swahili lesson if you want.
Hey guys, our room is ready. Pinate lang namin na matapos yung cleaning. Pakita ko sa inyo yung room that we book in booking.com. From the outside, this is the kitchen, mini storage, and this is the washroom. This is the room and the other room, and also the bathroom. This room has aircon. This home cost 1,300 reals, which in peso roughly 20,000. Bantu home in Paje, Southeast Coast. And also for your additional information, don't forget to bring adapter with 3 pins. Hello, nakapagnap na kami and now pupunta kami sa beachfront kasi magpipicture siya for her birthday post. I think I forgot to tell you how much yung airport transfer namin kanina. It costs $50 US one way. One way sa beach. So from our accommodation, it's like 7-minute walk. Or let's say 10 minutes. Sabi nila may isa pang shortcut. Picture lang kami, then later magdi-dinner na din kami. Okay, nandito kami sa Ocean Restaurant. Dito kami magdi-dinner. And then, nag-apply kami ng buffet. Tatlo kami $50 US.
Fries and rice. Okay. Yeah. And here we have veg and the seafood, mixed seafood curry and vegetable masala.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey guys, this is our second day today and we are planning to visit the nearest cafe here in Paje. Actually, the weather here in Zanzibar, it's not hot. I can say that Zanzibar is like a province in the Philippines. Air is fresh. Okay, so nahanap namin yung shortcut papunta sa beach. Pero ang problema, ay, paano ka bababa dyan? Eh, alam mo na, baba na lang ako. No, shortcut ka more. Tatalan ka. Bilisan mo, ayan na. Go. Upo ka muna. p.m. Ang taas ng alon! Hello guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Mr. Kahawa. Akala ko ba coffee shop to, te? Coffee shop na daw. Pero parang inuman. Oh, sa beverage, meron silang cocktails. May hot and cold beverage. One seared beef steak.
Medium rare.
And then one beef burger. Our food. Mine is burger. Hey guys, welcome to our day 3 of Zanzibar trip. And now we're going to Malcolm Cave. And we're just going to walk and find that cave. Because as per Google, it's only 1.8 kilometers. So let's see if that's true. You saw it on the last clip. It was high tide. Now it's so low tide. See, you can walk kasi low tide. Time check, it's 12:52 and low tide siya. We're trying to go there in the middle to witness the kite surfing. But we're not going to avail the activity. We're just going to look what is happening there and take a picture. Okay, nothing to do there, so let's continue walking and let's find the way going to Malcolm Cave. Okay, we got a friend here to guide us. He's trying to help us.
You're gonna turn there, you go left, then you go straight. After, you go right directly to the middle.
Okay, thank you.
Let me say goodbye, yeah?
Thank you. Okay, we asked some locals here. They said it's far and we need to ride tuk-tuk.
4 people. 5.
Pwede.
5 daw isa.
5 daw isa.
5.
20 shillings.
Yeah.
Okay.
1,000 shit.
20,000.
30.
You said 20!
5.
Okay, good.
Okay, nagtuk-tuk na kami. Medyo malayo pala talaga siya. Brother, how about later?
Yeah, going back.
You can take my number.
Okay.
We don't have load. Don't have data. There is Wi-Fi here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sakit, may Wi-Fi.
Okay, we're here. Caribou Maalum.
Wala naman tayo.
Okay, as per their rules and regulations, kailangan namin magbanlaw to remove those screens, sunscreens, lotions in our body. Mga corals para di sila ma-harm. For adult entrance, $20 each.
As well, we have one of our spa here. It's called Django Spa, and I'm going to show you another spa. It's called Forest Spa. So maybe if you're interested to have a massage as well after Cape, please, you can just book with us. And that one is our restaurant. If you like to have any meals or fruit, you can just go there.
So welcome. Normally I will give you the locker where you can put your stuff. Put your stuff there. Then behind us you see you have a changing room. Then we'll offer you towel. You have a shower. We give you swimming shoes and Google mask. And you go to the pool.
Okay. Okay, we're done here. Now we're going to beach. We spent 1 hour and 30 minutes in the cave for $20. Uy, look guys, it's already high tide. Time check, 3:30 p.m. Hi guys, welcome to our 4th day and now we're going to Salam Cave and M10 Beach. Time check, magta 10 a.m. na. Hello! Uy, in fairness, tumatanggap ng card. We're going to pay environmental fee. $1 each. Oh. So, our driver dropped us here. 1 minute from the parking is the M10 Beach. Okay, we're here now in M10 Beach. And low tide. Low tide siya, guys. Ayan, may restaurant dito sa baba. What's that? Crablets?
Ano ba yan?
Oh, maliliit na crab.
Crablets? Maliit na crab. Is crablets. Okay, doon na kami sa M20 Beach. Di kami nag-swim. Nag-take lang kami ng picture. Okay, so much better pala kung magpapapalit na kayo ng shillings instead of dollar. Hindi na sila masyadong nag-accept ng card bill. Sa mga restaurants lang pwede mag-card. Natanggap naman sila ng dollar pero susukuyan kanila in shillings. Okay, we're here now in Alam Cave and we're going to pay $12 each for the entrance. Okay, for 30 minutes, $12, and then for 1 hour experience, $20 each. Do they accept card payment? Okay, we can pay by card and cash, shillings or USD. More of us. 30. Half an hour. Time check, it's 12:30 in the afternoon. Medyo madami ng tao. Mag-start in 30 minutes na in-avail namin once you go down sa cave. Bibigyan tayo ng food para sa turtles.
Ay! Mo muna to. Ayan na, ayan na.
Oo, ganun na.
Ganda niyan. Oh, ipakita mo yung dito. Yung laki. Pinapain na lang. Hindi nakakagatin. Pili ko kinagat na ako eh.
Feeling ko nakagat ako ng turtle. Guys, I'll show you.
$60?
Ate, anong ibig sabihin pag nakagat ka ng turtle?
Sabi sa TikTok ay mamamagalang.
Hi guys! It's swimming kami ngayon! Kasi free day namin! And bukas uwi na kami. Sobrang lakas ng alon! Kaya ito yung nakakain o hindi?